MALA is the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter, an instrument currently in orbit around Mars. The instrument transmits infrared laser pulses towards Mars at a rate of 10 Hz, and measures the exact altitude of the surface beneath. Range measurements have been used to construct a precise topographic map of Mars that has many applications to studies in geophysics. The resolution of the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter, up to 37 centimeters, reveals changes in the topography that were not seen in previous images. This MALA image shows ridges and craters that were not visible in earlier images. These images of new features give scientists a new look at the surface of Mars. With the red on the scale refer to 20 kilometers high, and blue -5 kilometers low. These old images of a huge crater on Mars called Valles Marineris. Its length equals the distance between New York and Los Angeles, and covers 1/3 of Mars' surface. The edge walls are higher than Mount Everest. This is new image scanned by MALA for this beautiful crater. And it resembles the name of Prophet Muhammad in Arabic language. Now talking about this, as a miracle, the probability of having these letters rather than any random figures, 4 letters no more or less, written in this sequence and orientation and a certain word out of an entire vocabulary of a language, is 1/infinity.